If you just received your new property tax assessment and your jaw hit the floor, you are likely paying thousands of dollars more than you actually owe. Most homeowners don't realize that tax assessments are often based on outdated data or simple clerical errors that can be easily corrected. The first thing you must do is apply for your homestead exemption, which can significantly lower the taxable value of your primary residence. You should also carefully review your property record card at the local assessor's office to ensure they haven't miscalculated your square footage. If the county thinks you have a finished basement or an extra bedroom that doesn't actually exist, you are being overcharged every single month. Filing a formal tax appeal is a powerful way to challenge a high assessment, especially if similar homes in your neighborhood sold for less. Many states also offer massive property tax discounts for veterans, senior citizens, and homeowners with specific disabilities. At lower mortgage rates, we believe in protecting your monthly cash flow, and that starts with making sure the government doesn't take more than its fair share.